Welcome to Vintage Baseball Wax Cracks. Let's get cracking. We got a 1983 Donruss here. This is a year that is absolutely loaded with potential rookies here. Tony Gwynn, rookie, would be a major pull. That would be a home run. Ryne Sandberg or Wade Boggs, those are my top three. Also wouldn't mind to pull a San Diego chicken out of here. Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, here we go. Bruce Hurst, Ned Yost, Wayne Tollison, Bill Gullickson. There's Keith Hernandez. Put him up. Jerry Mumphrey. Oh, there's the Mad Hungarian. He does look mad. Oh, look at this. Bert Blyleven. Got three nice cards right there. Jerry Remy. Wayne Krachicki. Gary Ward. There it is! San Diego Chicken.
Gone!
It's a home run. You can't beat the San Diego Chicken. A few more cards here. Dave Rozema. Terry Crowley. And Dale Murphy. That ended up being a great pack. 1983 Donruss. We did well. Very good. Thanks for watching, guys.